Do you want to know how you can unlink your bank account on Frollo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can unlink your bank account or provider on Frollo. Go ahead and install Frollo on your phone from the Play Store if you don't have it. Then, what you need to do is sign into your account and open Frollo. After you open Frollo, go ahead and use the biometrics. You can find the Unlink option if you go to Portfolio, tap on your bank account. You can see Unlink on the top right hand side. If you don't want to use that, what you can do is click on Settings, go to Data Sharing and choose your bank account, and you can see this Unlink option as well. So there are two options. The first one is to go to Portfolio and tap in on your bank. Or else you can go to Dashboard, go to your settings and click on Data Sharing and choose your bank account. So go ahead and select it and you can see Unlink on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it and you can see that it will ask you if you are sure you want to unlink the bank. So this cannot be reversed and you need to unlink it once you have unlinked it again. So go ahead and click Unlink and there you go. This is how you unlink your bank account or provider on Frollo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.